Yes, you're alive now. I can see that you're alive. You can continue now because you're alive.
Okay.
All right, sir.
Thank you. We're going to talk later. Which one to go on? So I don't fumble like this. All right. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Kadoya wabedene waladu wabedene o ọpẹ bẹyì sèmá o a fún yé fún ẹrẹ Badagwa na yawuna na ọlọgọ gbé o ẹyọ tẹkẹkẹ náà yé ẹyàn fìlìmí gbódì ẹ wúwẹ ẹ bọtò bọ yẹn náà fìlìmí gbódì ẹ wàwẹ so pọmú wà náà èrè o ẹdóyà wà tó ta o náà tó tọrẹ do ọsàbò ẹhì ọbọkàn o henry ẹhì ọbọkàn o kẹbẹ ẹgbẹrẹ yàfẹ ẹdọ nípa ẹdọ nípò ẹniwọn ìpè ẹniwọn ìpò wọ̀nyá bókíá wà tó ta o náà tó tọrẹ do báyìí ìdẹ́mùdẹ́ àwọn ìdọ́dẹ́ bá wàyà yàrá o wà tí yà yàrá o wíyọ ọgùn sàdóbọ àwọn yàrá yẹn nù nọ́sà o wíyọ wọ ẹ pọ̀wọ́ wọ ẹ sàdóbọ àdógódó àná yàgbọ́n kẹfẹ́ yìí mi màdé do màsí kòkó màdó tọrẹ ẹ̀bùn wọn òkà ọrẹ ẹ̀bùn wọn yàsí gbẹ́ẹ́ okó gìso kébùkọ́ yàn bẹ ọ̀wé he bí màdó ẹ̀rì náà pa ẹ̀bùn wọn màmí àlórí ẹ̀tí ni mà dìbò gbè ní mà ewu náà ẹ̀bùn ẹ̀ mà yé náà o ẹ̀gì ẹ̀ dìgbè wọn ewu náà do ẹ̀ mà yé náà o ẹ̀gì ẹ̀ àgìnà wọn láwo sàdóbọ ní yóò bọ̀ ọdún kẹ́yìn mi lé o láwo rà ní dà wọn yòókì wọn rè yẹ wọn rè yẹ ìwé gbè ní mà làhọ ìbí ẹ̀dọ́ yà fẹ́fẹ́ gìmàgà wà kú gbé náà yà á sí ọ̀rẹ́ dùn kókó ìbí ẹ̀dọ́ yà fẹ́fẹ́ kú mẹ́wọ̀n kedon tiebe kedon wina kedon dweki kedon awokame jamuyame ekokpa magame ekokpa magame ahokpa magame echompa na ya wina unawe iwina buma na ki ege kara we buma ege ye kebe buma la hawra no wodwa so bebi adu ya fe no ade ge mana gbebu gebo ga bun we ona no yebeki wo ma be ayeberi o what's it around? The Poman, Roman, or what the Devon. Jesus Christ on Yama, he said, how I had nearly a nose, P44, oh, a book, oh, my mean, that was a yama, say we are booking, oh, Wakuyo, I now. Ibota. How do you give a book? Ibota, okay, do. Thank you. What you do here? Ibota, okay, do. Thank you. What you do here? How do you give a book? Ibota, okay, the Ibota, okay, na, okay, na you. Oka, okay, Ogiso, we, Igodo, Migodo. Oka Ore Ogiso Imigodo Bigodo. Godo Migodo ni Edo Gen Sana Boagbon. Even no Salabaya Agba Ore Manedre ni Odo Ogiso. Matoki Adena. Ose in my catawo. Na Mawege, Mangive, Nana. Have a Vietnam by Ogiso no Uvion Lade. Ogiso. Again, and my year, the matter, and again, about John Wee, Naga Ogiso. When Ogiso, Bia, we are not doing the Ogiso. Gopana Ro, Ogiso Banana or Mon. This my Nana, beginning. Ono chi edana mi we ojon we orido a Ogiso. Abi aye bota run the event so the hand ye bia wuma. So you say gbe man ma we bia. The man ma we bia yan we ye owi we me. Yan ye we hand do biba man rewebo. Ma we aye ebo ogu ayo. Okay. Edo history. Today's topic is Ogiso dynasty continued. Ogiso dynasty continued from the time immemorial, the time of creation. Edo people have been, but God used a particular royal line to be guiding Edo people to rule over them. That is the Ogiso dynasty. Okay, it used to be father to son, but there came a time when the Ogiso did not have a son. So they resorted back to whoever is the oldest person in Ogigo Domingo to be made Ogiso. So that is how we came to where we are now. It's going to resort back to primogeniture later on. Primogeniture is the process of a father taking over his son, a throne. We're going to get there very soon. But right now, we are seeing the oldest man in Igbo Domingo. That is Benin City, Igbo Domingo, center of the world. So, Ogiso dynasty. So, we are continuing on it today. All right. Let's go on now to the next Ogiso. We have treated 9 Ogiso already. 9 Ogiso already. So we are now on the 10th Ogiso. Okay. That is Ogiso Akwa. Ogiso Akwa. He was Ogiso in the year 482 to 494 Christian era. That was his duration of reign in Igbo Domingo as the Ogiso, leading the people of Edo. You see it? He was the 10th Ogiso. All right? We started with Ogiso Igodo, then Ogiso Orire. So we now came to Ogiso. From Ogiso Orire, we went to Ogiso Odia. From Odia, we went to Ogiso Igido. From Igido, we went to Ogiso Ebuabo. From Ebuabo, we came to Ogiso Ogbede. And from Ogbede, we came to Ogiso Umehe. From there, we came to Ogiso Ekpigo. That's where we stopped the other day, last week. We are now on Ogiso Akwa. All right. This Ogiso was the 10th Ogiso, just as we said right now. Number 10 on the line. But he was a man gifted with business. Business IQ was very high. So he was a trader even before he was made Ogiso. Like I said, he was the oldest man in Ogigo Domingo. But he was a trader. And he was an economist. Oh! He was an economist. That is enough for us to clap hands. This is the Christian era in Edo land, in Igodo. We have a leader who was an economist. He knew how to manage money. He knew how to multiply money. He knew how to save money. Okay? That is the same thing that the banks are doing today. Ogiso Akwa, he knew that. So, his specialty in business, he specialized in textile trade. He specialized in textile trade. They didn't say he made the textile, but he specialized in trading in textile. There were people in Edo land, in Igodo, as at this time, who were good in making textile. Who were good in making textile, making clothes, fabrics like this one. A special kind of fabric we call ukmoru. This king, before he was made Ogiso, he was trading in that and he specialized in textile. Manioboda Nikao, Manioboda Do. Clap hands for Edo people. As far back as 464, 482 to 494 is the Christian era. We already had a king in Edo, Nigodo, who was a shrewd businessman, and he was able to establish trade and economics. But matter about so the Buna in him, I had secondary ade. No gig be my lawyer. Ogiso go to him, my ass one, or no war. Ogiso eva. Ogiso reader, no pogia. Ogiso odia agbabene. Ogiso igido babisa. Ogiso ewabo eha. Ogiso bade here. Ogiso umehe. Ogiso ekpigo. Mata se za no gboda. Odun Ogiso no gi na marita re na. Ogiso akwa. Ege no ya ni Ogiso. No li le Ogiso ekpigo. Mabe ye ni na si nwa. Oti mare bito wa fo obesu odi ma. Wa yere ado. Akun awon popa. Ona di ekinuru. Mami economics na o no gwa doligo yi o gwa dolupon yi. O na gwa dolupon yi doligo yi. Ari ugbo ari ogo upon o ya so. Igo ya kin. Akun awon popa ona di ekinuru. Me ame ogo me tete ekin na gbongun eyin. Akun ayan omo ere na doligo yi. Akun ame upompa. Ori ekinuru akun era e. Ime ogo me tete ekin na gbongun eyin o. Akun ame upompa. Ori ekinuru ime ogo me tete ekin na gbongun eyin o. Ẹ̀rù àdì èbè náà lọ́nà tàwúrú ògúnzí àlè làbí ọ̀nà dèwúyè ìkà gèlègèlè ìkà gèlègèlè ìkà yòwérà yòwégbè ìkà Ika yowera yowe egbe. Ananga Otima Erima Omuemi. Na Victor Wafo Yovan. Eniyan Victor Wafo, Dr. Victor Wafo, Omakpe Wana Derio. No yi. Na Sukyopa. Newborn. No see one. Nana ye buy. But I didn't have one wamianya. Ogiso no gigbe. Ogiso no gigbe, but Yogiso be igodo. Odweki. Tigo, eyenga ake o. Mamia. Odweki, no te tigo. Odweki no te ego. Nebo to economist. Ono te me, ordinary economist. Oh no, he now there. When I are with me here, when I go here, when I go to me here, when I am more here, when I are here, when I had a here. Economist. Emebo Eyadoshikukawa. Economist come from the Greek word oikos nomos. Oikos nomos. Household rules. Household laws. Oikos, house. Nomos, law. Economy. Oikos nomos. It didn't matter a big Greek. The suku. Ahwa, yen wa on. We na lele, we na da le bi we na lele, we na bigo kan he. Na ya da le bi go le he. We na lele, we na ya mwa go. We na lele, we na ya zigo ko. Na iti e banki na. Wezo. Amio Agwa no. Odweki. Not no evident to go here, eyenga aki. Ake mo, eyen wa do. Do wa Odweki. So daba. So de coco. So de iyan. So de Odweki bon. Bedio. So de kiawe. So de kiakoko. Egede de ma yage bana ebi beleka. Iyawo e ti do kiakoko. Na no mi e kiakoko do. E pon saloboa. Nda oduma me no. De kiawe. Oduma me no. E ti ma ya ti han egbima. Akala oda magado edo ise. Ayupo saloboa. Akwa no ogiso akwa. Yo ogiso no gigbe. Ogiso don Odweki. Na chetigo. Ekie okmo eyenga do. Wọ́n na do he na migo wo. We ga be do pe ga banaye ibi suku. Ibaso na do Odweki okmo na be do tedo. Yana do afi kekere le igbo ya kian. Yana mo po re ya do kion. Odi ati okun akia. Ukpan kia na yo di ka we akia wonu ya hasai. Na me e ne bo e do awuna. Ami na otedo pe. We do ukio ba igbera. Ukiva igbera. Ukiloge ha. No ki enu e obi ade mu keke bi ade odo na we do hasa. No ukpan kia. Amata me mare okiso ga we gbo yo. So pan on do pon kien eyen ga kun. Apobodo giso akwa. Yo. Akwa me popa ori kinuru. We go on to the next one. Hey. Ogiso, the next Ogiso is Ogiso Efeseke. Here? But yeah, Efefe, Oko, Higigo, Oko, Ogiso Efeseke. Look at when it rained. 494 to 508 Christian era. So you can see that those people have been wise and they have been vocational for a long time. Long time. So Ogiso, the leader of the Ogiso, he himself, he was 11th Ogiso in those days. 11 on the line. You see it now? He was very wealthy. Huh? He was very wealthy. So this man had become wealthy before he became Ogiso. His name is Efeseke. Efeseke means riches in abundance. Hey! Was very wealthy. Riches in abundance. Exactly like his name. Oh! He hailed from Urubi quarters of Benin. That's where he hailed from, Urubi quarters of Benin. So if you go to Benin City, those who are in Benin City, then you know where Urubi is. Those who are not in Benin City, when you get to Benin City, tell them to show you where Urubi is. Urubi. When you're coming from Lagos, when you're coming from Great Lagos, you enter into the center already. I mean, Benin City already. You pass Iyoba Palace. You go on and go on. You are heading towards the center of the town. Before you cross the moat, the moat that surrounds Benin City, you come to Urubi. Urubi. That's why they used to have a college of education. That's where you have the one of the four chiefs or the leading chiefs of Edo, Chief Ero. Chief Ero is in Urubi. You also have a water tower there. Before you get to the valley, the moat, that's Urubi. So that's where this Efeseke, that's where he came from. That's where he came from. Maybe that's why it will be very, very busy. It's a very busy place. People, traders everywhere, left and right. Maybe they inherited this business from the Ogiso Efeseke. Oh! It was from Ruby quarters. He owned herds of cows and herds of goats. He owned the heads of cows and heads of goats. So he was rich. How did he get rich? He was a businessman. He owned the herds of cows, heads of cows. It's many cows that you cannot count, and goats that you cannot count. The other Ogiso just now was trading in Texas, but this Ogiso was a businessman. He had heads of cows and goats. So see, our people have been advanced for a long time. Lẹ́yìn ìṣàgbé Ogiso Efeseke. Ogiso Efeseke gẹ́gẹ́ náà di Ogiso. Gẹ́gẹ́ náà di Ogiso. He lived for about 14 years. Was the oldest man, Ogiso. Younger Ogiso no Ogi Owo. Ama Makado no gigbe malaba no gi Owo Orisho Egbe. Ogiso Efeseke younger Ogiso no Ogi Owo. Migodo. The one here go akin. Oge no nyago osekeseke. Okoma. Oge no nya igo osekeseke. Onyago onimase. Ona wanyago ego fiore Efeseke osekeseke. Oh! il vient de Ouagaragua, les fiorés, on se casse que. Oui. FCK, que le voit ok, le voit, mais go, on se casse que. Go, caca. On go, on se casse que. Autre bon mot dit, il go, caracua. Autre bon mot dit, il go, caracua. Obie Douin, Urubi, no. Obie Douin, Urubi. That you might have a Urubi, do. Where the do, where la do, don't be absolute, don't be a guay yoba. Udo say, Yano legado. I fiara, wake cody, fiara, run your Urubi. Wabi abo wame yeba obiroba, a wame river. Ubini, yiga, okane, ero, ubi, oye. Ogisoda, ubini, kere. Ubi, Baga, ubi. Now, the lift ubi, was what we have to go. I will at a moment. Ubona, a kinado. No, if you go the Vana do Muda, not the Ko Vana do Muda, not the Webo Vana do Lamuto. You don't know. We do not be. Ogana Emila, Kebe, we Oibiri. Huh? Ogana Emila, Ogisona, Ogana Emila, Kebe, we Oibiri. Huh? I won't feel if it's a boy of here. I thought I ate or do yet or go. You got a milla. No one, then no one cuckoo. We have a way, no one, then no one cuckoo. Oibiri. Oibiri, I don't know how we are such a kind. Yeah, well, I'm on one year. No green cook of Milani, no green cook Calegaya, no green by any. Oibiri. I'm your president. One lucky in fear or lucky. Shall we go? Like man, do it. Shall we go? My if shall work key. Okay, I'm way to have been low. Ibiri. We have set into a key. Okay, way to work me like do hold on do it. Hey, hand, I don't think I man, be a car where I do a care with. I do a care. Hey, hand. All the market can get way out there. I can't. All the market can get a cocoa out there. I can't. Well, me want to do a key. Hey, go. Afiangbe no. Akoyo. Okay. Tu m'as ECOWAS. Oye gbemi yewana. Gene deni emina maru oraro. Ni magwa kan na o. Emino gbemi na. O ka re no sunu wege ni mara mata na. O ka ga we gi so beni anwin na beni adwoki beni aswebu migodo mata na o. Let's move on. That's Ogiso. It's Ogiso Iudia. Look at when he reigned, that's Ogiso. 508 to 522 Christian era. Ogiso Iudia. See it? He was the 12th Ogiso line of the dynasty. Number 12. We have already run through 1 to 11. The number 12 person, Ogiso, was Ogiso Iudia. Ogiso Iudia. His reign was not eventful. The reign of Ogiso Iudia was not eventful. You see it? In other words, during his reign, how many years? 508 to 522. Oh, okay. About 12 years. He was uneventful. That is to say, not much happened during his time. Our hands are heavy for him. But you have to remember that this time, the Ogiso were the oldest men in the land. Oldest. So some of them were so old that they could not even come out of the house to walk around. Some of them were so old that they could not even sit down for a long meeting. So, like this Ogiso and Ogiso Irudia, not much happened in his time. When they would tell him what's going on, he would say, "Oh, man, it's okay. It's okay. Everything is okay. It's okay." Because he was old. Also, there are some people who are not motivated to get up and work. They don't have much zeal, much energy. There are some people God created like that. Every one of us has his own gifts and endowment. The days of Eudia, not much went on in Igodo Bingodo. It makes us sad though. Novice Ogiso Iudia. Ogiso Iudia, Gaganoya the Ogiso. Odipe Iwe ne Aku Vanahi. Oya the Ogiso. But my where your Ogiso no Ogi Iweva. Imakade no gi Iweva na ihu. No gi wo Makataba. Oh now no gi Iweva. Maybe where okay. Ego Gisona or Matiti. Ego or Matiti. Maka we have Gisona or John Way and Akin. Or don't we order one or here no one who table here. Bigo to Bigo. No, Doddy, I don't wait and so don't work on Mike Cabo. Again, Matiti, and she don't want. Yeah, I do so audio with this thing, Pawa. That thing can like I will tell you your war of ma. Now we tell you of what my darling, yeah, my. You can't want a video, your man, even in got tired with what Yagwakabe or the one of my God, key, my will. We came out with you, Joanna. Egoi, evi no buma isu nu egoi. Big witness. Oh, ya the ya Ogiso. Evi no buma, mama bosu nu egoi. Oba we ya o, oba we became ogeda. The man setting a big yawe. Oba setting a big yawe. No, I swear, you so. The last one we are treating today is Ogiso Oria. Ogiso Oria. From 522 to 537. 522 to 537. That's a long time. 522 to 532 to 542 to 552. That is 3 years. 33 years. He was really Ogiso. So this was a strong man. Just in Ogiso the Ingo to Bingo. It was the 13th Ogiso online. Number 13. The last one we saw was number 12. This is number 13 on the line. Ogiso Ingo to Bingo. We are told that he was a hunter but he was a hunter in a special species of animal. Ah! Not just a hunter. Not just a hunter. He was a hunter in elephants. Elephant hunter. So that means there were sea elephants in the jungle. That is why he became an elephant in hunting. I mean, he's a hunter in elephants. So there were sea elephants in the jungle in those days. You all will remember that there were a lot of elephant tusks in our land. When the British invaded the Edo Kingdom, the Benin City, in 1897, they looted a whole lot of artifacts from the Edo Kingdom. They took them away. Thousands of artifacts. You have been hearing about the return of the Edo artifacts, the return of the Edo artworks, which our leaders, our Oba and other Edo leaders have been fighting for. Elephant tusk was a very large quantity among those things that were carted away by the British. Elephant tusk. Beautiful! What? How did they get the elephant tusk? It's because there were elephants in the jungle of Edo. It was a natural blessing from God. It's not everywhere you find an elephant. So this Ogiso was one of the hunters of elephants. Newborn, we give him hand. No one, listen. He was from Ore Igbeni quarters in Benin. This man was from Ore Igbeni quarters in Benin. Where is that quarters located in Benin? The Ore Igbeni is located in after Ikpobahi, when you are on your way toward going to Agbo or going to Auchi. When you leave Benin City, you come to Ikpoba slope. And when you climb up, at the hill, the end of the slope, the beginning of the level land, that is Ore Igbeni. You must have heard about the name before, Ore Igbeni, but plural will be Igbeni. Even Igbeni, Ore Eneke, Ore Igbeni, the people who hunt elephants. Can you imagine a man hunting elephants? That is the skillfulness of this Ogiso. Not every hunter can kill an elephant. The king of the jungle. That is why they call Oegbeni the hunters of elephants. Oegbeni means hunter of elephants. Oegbeni means the plural form of it, the hunters of elephants. So you hear now, that's why that area is called Oegbeni. The plural form. Because it wasn't only one man. Oegbeni. You see now, Western Boys High School is located in Oegbeni. This Ogiso was an expert in hunting elephants. That's money. Those ivory tusk from elephants. That is money. Bubanado, that's where I do. But people say in Ipobahi, opposite the army barracks. That is Oegbeni. Opposite the army barracks. That's all of that. Army barracks, Western Boys High School. Here is Oegbeni. You understand? That's from this Ogiso Orire. I mean, Oria. Ogiso Oria. Ogiso Oria. Now it's a way. Adamaya mo itoge now. Ogiso Oria ge no podo ya no ya Ogiso. Osikpe ha jagba. Osikpe ha jagba. Never ya Ogiso. Christian jagba. Ogiso Oria. Ogiso no gie iwe ha. Ogiso no gie iwe ha. Ma aka wedo owo eva eha ene ise eha ihion ihin igbe owo iweva iweha mana ibe ka ba we iweha na iweha ba ma iweha no iweha Ogiso Oria yo Ogiso no giweha 13 Yake ga owe no gbeni owe ya ki no gbeni o no yo isi fi ame bo ha o ni owe ma vita be do itendo ami o kedo owe fi me yo man if you man ga dan ke no wege yo owe fi me yo Otiba mo yo ya si won owe no gbeni na oga na o e wan ya fi owe ya gbeni muda bo na ai o na gwa we eni ga ibuere ya mi kila owe no gbeni yen ga kin Where na be bona re yan do go edokon. And do go edokon. Yan gbedokon na yan apa yan vie ni ma wan ya lelebe. Wa hon kede do ade be na ita he. Ebi man yan do vio na ya vio ere he. Uswemi ni avio no wa mo se odun ihu ogo eni. Iya ye wo ya fo fa kekekekeke. Ye wo iwo ri ni igo bi oye ayado ami obi ami woto ami awa hiam eni opa won adane Ogiso na agbele ni ayo ni we no me go yen be yakin buda eni ni emi owo no ra ika Ikia bi ede na gbe ni nda emi owo no kokon no amo kwano you amo kwano ke don't say they no amo kwan bo amo kwan oye amo no na gbe o fi pari o owe ga gbe yan pari o oni amo kwan ni o pa amo kwan Gay Esi Yoha Esi Bona Ruwa Esi Yogoha Erwe Ogoha Oha da Merwe Ebo di anya fun oha Ede Oguzia Eni iseni mebo o ebum so ni o na owe ga gbe yan pari o ado ti ewo ka mebo we yan gbe eni yan gbe esi yan gbe erwe yan gbe oguzia o aroha a don pa ti mo Kile le keba Yego wa. Yang bebu ya ordinary kiri na gbe buwa. Ya ise ba oye. Oye. Ala aseti mu so aseti mu esi bewe aseti mu ado akan yo bag na adada ade wa. Mama buto ye ko we ojon we igbedi ifu we fere ye emi owore emi wa vie ya vie opia yari loy yari kai yari gbanyo ado ga mi wo the whole no ba gbusi ba gberu agbogusi agbede oge ni ika ado ava ado agia aga ba o wo ye ke boy am pa na no gbe isini o wo ye ke boy ado na video over na you know am pa na no gbusi ṣùgbọ́n àmọ́ pàgì ọjọ́ wẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ wò àbí wọ́n pàgì ẹ̀ n'oge ọ̀rẹ́ wò ọ̀pá ọjọ́ wẹ̀ ọ̀pá rẹ̀ n'oge ìfá ìkẹ̀mílíọ̀ ìfá ẹ̀ẹ́dọ́gbẹ́ èsì ọ̀rẹ́ àìsí ọ̀bọ̀ wà lọ́dún yàrá yàrá ẹ̀bù ìdí èmi ẹni wọ́n yà nàdẹ̀ yàrá èmi o. Eri no mami ona ge do de water ani everywhere ugbanso esi ugbanso ede ugbanso ogunsiyan no le labi o ore sare eni I said to him, when in the Negia Dede, but you were I Zebu, you will kill and they don't bring the idea or hard on a beginning. Udoni and ya vai. Copia Kugam, I have vai, oh, yeah, Ayaku. Il can't be a daddy. Don't lie, you were. I have one cable white. I lie a knee. I'm ever hold on. I do have near my audion way, give a Johnny level, give a no gearable. Oh, we're not burning. I ask you, okay, so earlier. Oye igbeni eyin rakin oye igbeni ni ma ri che oye igbeni vedoni hello taun de ke no igbeni ye vedo wa pa vedo na wuri agbo ogbon so pa vedo na wuri auchi o atore die eze na te igboba Oratore ezerante ikpoba nwere ohi anyị fendora. We fien ikpoba ni ra udo so anyị oke. Wa anyị oke. Wa ze oke udo yi oke fo. Ege no ya yi oke fo ada ido kieva. Ada kieva obokpa ni oberoma oni ori agbo abudu ki wa gbo. Obi yawa Onion the auchi eho beyond. Kenya desani oga dade hani ite Ramat Park at the nena. Ramat Park, Ramat do ya no ya over do. Can I am McQueen Bama for anything? Oh, big Ibani have ebi yo kogi bekeni adia yina te Ami Barak. Iyan de ba yi yankan ke gidege ko wuto. Obera ba akiro we la o ya we se keni abe ya no banyo yi ya no wanyo ate brewery. O da wa wona le o vie no agbo wa mi o wi wo mi pada te Western Boys High School no ye Are Willie High School. Oya agyo wa no boy Are Willie boy school ni. E ma ya de be school ni po wan ya ke o. Chaya na we he me tana. Eni ya fe na wa ge na o ye ore gbani. Ore gbani. E ba ameni ta sie kan wa na we ore gbani. E bi no ke kina ati e. Oye Igbeni. Oye Igbeni. Okay, oye Igbeni. Afia kan wa. Ayiya ye ere mi na ya ka oye Igbeni. Oye Igbeni. E ma no gbeni oye Igbeni. Oru won pa no gbeni odo Ogbeni. E wa ni bu ogbera ro pa de yan ni gbeni Igbeni. O we na haze do he. Ogbeni. O ya bu Igbeni. Enogi ni ogi opa. Opa kan enogi. O ya bu o ga enigi. Wa bien. On audion on pa audion. Okay, ga bon agbera pa na wa edion. Obe do ma wo wa ade baba na wo. Oda ogiso oria Ogbeni no. We Igbeni bedo okere. Manado okeke ma afie ni na were o. Ya afie were. E ti we na afie da gbon na ya gbon se. Ati gbon ibu eva. Awe we di ma ita na ati oye Igbeni na. Agbon we oye Igbeni. O ati wa gbon bi do ka kina ye oye Igbeni. Agbon ni na do oye Igbeni yo tuto e. Na gbon ya adege we oye Igbeni oye Igbeni. Ogbeni o Igbeni eyan pa Agbeni wege ni oye Igbeni. Ututo ya do mu oye Igbeni. Wa ge ya we so mi me ho ni u na do anything. So agba don gi bo an so. Ka we tok pa de yo. Na mo ya me Manado je e ya wa gbe yo gbere zigi o Manado no nya bo Manado no bi motor Manado no nya no bi bo agi ma to bi ma dollar ni ma yi o ba be de do dollar yi ni mo e bo de do dollar yi ni mo wa ni beta na o Igbeni e ta ni ba ya gbon yo gedegbe awo ka de oye Igbeni agbegun yi tuto oye Igbeni ona ma ti oye Igbeni ka to be de ayan lado okeke no lado okeke na agbun yo we ona igodo edo si agbon edo na de sagbon yama yeye Jama ye igwale do no boso no ade ba na ewe mi eso edo no boso o me nwa no debe bo wakin o do ki o ki o ari oba ye no ade ba ya ewe mi eso yedo ni ma ya ye gbere ma ya egbima na be ko ga do wa ka ga o ni wa na hi wa fia ebe na o na o edo wona edo me no demu edo me kino kede edo me kino di ebo mani bi do awe ne bodo abegbe ibe le mata mu wa ya fefefe da ho wa ya ebo yedo wa ya no da ho na o da ho wa ya fefefe ogi agbore na oboga wa ya fe matija ibi edo ya fe no da he na da do me bo don kere de uwe ma bo don kere e baba me bo don kere iye me bo don kere na na bio ye kori on bi ye ko via bi ye ka uselu bi isu na wake o te san uwe san da bo na bieri ma bi ma de ni akere ye na do ade do gbenso adobi ma so wedo gbenso awe bi ma bi go makere ye ade do ara na ma so we de kida benicity awe ma da benicity ori ma here no oni ma rie ma wu ebo ada ho da doge ma o said ma admo dadi ebo makere ege ko awe ma wo ya di odo ya nunda afirmation we emu radio afirmation we radio we rio emu we radio egbo ye do egbo ha iwe nu akia yago eni wa ni rudo edion kiyele den rudo we yago adriko we giun gian opo agba ni go gian na akayon ni ya oni we nu we fe ya yare we da mo esago wo dukun no wa hu hin ni we da mu ni ya ni da ya be da ya ne hu no ibi edo ya fe wa gaso nga wo na 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 ibi podo de na wa gaso nga wo na ibi podo asana wa gaso nga wo na dadi biabo wo pa no wo pa we nuwa we save wa kokoko we nuwa system wa kokoko we egi amira banwe wa ga ayewo dana bi mari ebo dana bi mari nupo geva ageda ndoge ya boro wa ye ewo dana bi owo iye kori won no iye ko via no isi no iye ko ogba no otesa no oto afe mai no oto nwa no don doge ewo no kere wa ga boro wa yo do wa fi ye kigbedo ibi edo wa fi ye kigbedo wa fi ye kigbedo wa fi ye kigbedo wa fi ye kigbedo atemedo le gweza bo omo kinu wekere ba wekere dege do ere ba wege aragbona wa ya bolo wa ye bu wa ebu yue we yare 100 by 100 o ko yi go da yeye o ka yan na bo o ye se we ya bo wa pa do bedo ni ya ye we be don ye ma wo ma begedege sale bedo o wa nuboge ha that day ebu weni kebugu aga bu weni that day no kaye na miamia iye no kaye na miamia u gben na te signpost ya mu yo ina te signpost ya mu yo na we adege we iye na o hata adise iya ade weka ekeda we o kana na bua eze na bua yagun yo eze na ati ohin ogbenso ori won no saibo ogbenfo ori won no saibo iye we yo ni kai we o me na ti ya ka ori won no saibo we gbon yo ayé gbére ayé mi ayé gbére kena gwedion yo gbon yo ebo ni abo gababo ni ugba kena la yo gbon yo bedio kena ipepe na mo mi jo gbon yo ipepe na hin o ga ibi abi kan la dia abi kan bu wa gbon wa dole do yi edo mi opa ya do le do ye wi ya se fe no o mi no ibiebo nuko ge na ni ata yo ibiebo wa ya ke mi ye bu wani the way radical bu ya ke mi yo upupo ya ke mi yo if you bo dan ise do na dan no zone who they va they had ya mu vie ade ebu ra je ade ebu yu ya gbo boy yokowa boy odugbo if you bo ele be ko hu ele be ka ebe ele be ka otien ele be ka ekpiro ele be ka ogui ne de tugbe koko ke baba wa ti ni de ebi edo ye wa yen wa kwegbe mu ya mo gbe koko ya mo baba ruda ma kiebo wari feko wa ni bi edo wa feko ni ma ye do ki na yi na wa say ko o ma do yi ma ke na yi na ibi edo amugbe koko amugbaba de ke mu gbe e ya ki go wo tagbon e bi Malaysia ika e bi India ika e ya ki go osekeseke imateme ogiso akwa awodwaki no odwaki economist atamogiso efiseke very wealthy he was keeping herds of cattle did mawo did mayewo ma pia ba na yo ma na otalubo dede bed mate ayale lu woda boya gan gwara akwemi enwini ko be va ba we wate na ye abi dollar di wa ati wa we ara pe ma ma gbe be yo mi no wu o wa o se ni ma me oh be yo mi no wu o wa o se na me igbon iwe be na o tutu e bobo ma re bi dollar won bo ma de bi euro won bo na wa te na ye èmi náà wú ọmọ sọ wọn màá ń yí èké ń gbé kókè bàbá láì màá ń yí èké ń gbé ogbá bẹ bàbá láì èmi ní àyè ìwé wu ṣùgbọ́n náà wà sẹ́ náà yà mú ìnù àwọn ẹ̀fọ́ à rí ẹ̀bù wẹ̀ yàgbìn sáìpọ̀sì yẹ èké nà òkàrà ajé ẹ̀rẹ́gẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ àdẹ́zẹ̀ ìbáni àlàyé zẹ̀ ẹ̀kì gbẹ̀yìn yọ. Adani ha ugun yo wa ri wo ha ekene baba na gbe ni ade oveni bedio ore wi ma gbana na we ti aka we de yen wo re yen na gwana me be gbe ni gbo yen yebu mo ibe yewu na re we be yebu gwere ma yakoko dolo tedo yi ma yakoko dolo tedo yi e na pope a pe a politician e ba be politician e mun the politician ma wa ta de demanda o gi ma tene gbuma den we wo ya dolo do yi o hari e bo nu ya gbe adu kebo ike dion o ga mi aru ji are ma sha fe aka na ma rebebo man rumo tagbo ya e ba na bi ma bu makede i ma sefe aya gwale fikan du ma ho ma na do i ma sefe ayi wa na gwale fikan e ja mi ma tere e bu mi ma mi e bu be mu ma mi ma bu ha ja mi wa tere we me ma auto. O na very ma boy na ye can ribo. Aga se bana do me we be do the ro ye be better the ro ye. E wa no wa ka we ande. Na him I ka we boy ya o ro. Pe mi no kwa no. Nya ya dor pa na yo. So ba no go do a se. E no ba ma head na gimaria yo rio. Ma do le o man. La option be do so ba na. Beni Jesus Christ is ọba ẹwà ìnọrẹ do wa tọ ìpẹrẹ kété ẹdí ẹ gà máa wà ẹ gà máa ọ yẹ pé ẹwọn dúgì ọba yìí ló bọ ẹ fò ìṣe ọba àtọpẹ ìṣe wàhíà do ẹdí ẹwùsà nọkọ àwẹ àárí ògùn sàlọbọ àwẹ àgùsà ìpọn òsà yẹ wò wẹ èmi wọn mi wù náà yà tẹ ẹrù wẹ mú wù ní sàlọbọ máa wọn yìí ọ ní èmi náà kẹkí bà náà o ẹ bẹ dọdọ wọn wà wọn tó ní ma yẹ sẹ. Ìlànà àti ìròmú oríṣi ẹgbẹ́. Wàhún ẹ̀dọ́. Àmọ́ ẹ o, ìmáwé lórí ẹ̀gùn rẹ̀. Wẹ́nà ìgbèwẹ̀ wẹ́nà ìbòwẹ̀. Ibi iye kórè ọ̀hún yá fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́. Ibi iye kọ́ yá fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́. Ibi iye kọ́ gbẹ́ yá fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́. Ibi ó tẹ̀sán. Ibi ẹ̀ sàn yá fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́. Ibi ẹ̀ fẹ́ máa. Ibi ẹ̀ wọ́n. Ibi ẹ̀ sàkó. Ibi ẹ̀ ayé náà wáyé. Ibi ẹ̀ sàkó. Ibi àkókò ẹ̀dọ́. Ọjà wọn àná ẹgbẹ́ sasa gbe bi yo bo ibi ezo ibi zakiri ibi edo yakin ibi ope ibi soko ibi edo yakin ni bi won we ni an na gbin o man wa zoom do na o fie boa ba ja fie boa ba don Yesu ku wa si koko ere no wa Yesu ku wa si koko wa mi e bo si koko wa ba mi e bo si koko iya wọ́n bẹ̀ á fèmí gbá wọ́n bẹ̀ á fi ngùn gbá yóò bá yẹ pẹ̀lú rigore ẹ̀ náà sùn ẹ̀ wá hàn àwọn ìdádó ha àwọn ìdádó yẹ $100 wọ́n á fi gbé wọ́n ẹ̀ bá wọn wíni náà nù ẹ̀ dèkìdù mwígóri yẹ tó ẹ̀dọ́ wàgí afẹ́ kó bẹ̀ni Jésù Kristi lóbi sálọ́bùà ẹ̀ yá gùn wàgùn ìṣẹ́ ìdílé akọ̀wé ọmọ kẹwàá wọn. Look at Wednesday. My do Ibudu. Oh, go ahead. We see you on Wednesday for pastoral counseling. We had in our Wesho. Ugagbe. We say, everyone was down and carried out it. Jagbe Wilfred. Obukan. Mwenti Jara Obukan. Glory Yam Obukan. Andra Mato Obukan. Patience Egan Ruwa Obukan. Glory Yamu Obukan. ECOWAS Obukan. Precious Okenfi Obukan. Rose Igato Obukan. You take a photo with her. Then you give her Obukan. Sabo Ehi Obukan. Usayama Esewi Obukan. Esewi Udala Yurin Uniyagmo. Esewi Iwe Esewi. Enough for people. Enough people for oh. Club Yogi. Koyo Obukan. Bari Demudia, Kawade and the Mighty Obukan Bari Demudia. Henry he's Obukan. Henry he's or you you governor, you don't. We saw you don't. Was our boy he's Obukan Wakari. So our boy he Wakari. But here and I will go young fair with you. I go get you know, Nigeria and here I will. I always can't have it with you. Why, yeah, how do you grab and also Saloba Yako? You go Saloba. Wafeko fear Okuto. Every year, Manima or the Fionima. But on you, I would hear a Yaguan, Etigo, one of Bagui, Etigo Wagui, Mount Eye with all say ni se no buy. Ukani atare no can do with it do ye. Ibi ya balawa. Ibi ya balawa. Ma bebe go wa yasi un koko ibi do. Naga iwo. Me naga ila. Imado la. Ibi baba nero wa. Ibi get nero wa. Awe baba do wa we ye do. Awe ki ande wele se. Baba ba.